How to change a background image in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Then go to edit image. Make sure to upload the image that you want to change the background. Click on this square, it's gonna say upload, or you could just come over here, it says add image, just click on that, and then upload your image. The next step, go to background. It says over here at the top, click on that, and just wait. As you can see, it automatically selected the background of the image. Now, in order to change it and give it a different variation, make sure to click on change background over here. Once you click on that, on the right, you'll see, on the right, it will open background. Now, if you want to watch the tutorial, go ahead. But over here, it says describe the new background. So now you need to write what we want to replace that green background with. So let's say kingdom in the desert. Make sure to give it a better prompt. I'm just giving an example. Here you can write a negative prompt. That means that what you do not want to be added to the image. So it's gonna exclude anything you write here. Image guidance, you can just upload an image. If you already have a background image, just upload it here and tell the prompt you want to add this picture. Advanced settings, match original image style, yes, because it's gonna keep it the same size. Over here it says number of images 4. We are gonna do 2 because it's just an example. It's gonna cost us 10 credits, and let's create. I'm gonna skip it to the end because it's gonna take maybe 1 minute. Okay, so it finished generating the image. Let's see. As you can see, it did add the desert, but there is no kingdom, just the desert. This is the second image. That's why you want to write a better prompt for the image, so it can understand more what you want. This is how you change a background image in OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching.